What's up, everybody? Today we are going to learn Gloria by the Lumineers. Now, to learn this song, you are going to have to tune your guitar down a half of a step. That way we can keep it all open chords. That's the way they're playing it, and it'll also keep it as beginner as possible. To do that, your 6th string will be D sharp, 5th string G sharp, 4th string will become a C sharp, your 3rd string will become an F sharp, your 2nd string will become a C sharp, and your 1st string will become another D sharp. Let's get started with this thing. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Check out our Facebook and our Instagram. We have a bunch of cool updates that are happening on there daily. Those links are in the description. And go subscribe to our newsletter on our website. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. Remember, like I said earlier, we have to be tuned down a half of a step so that we can keep this all open chords. So the first chord you need to know is this kind of open F chord. We're not going to do the bar thing. You could reach around with your thumb if you wanted to, but for F, we've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and our index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. And we're going to strum from the 5th string down, and our index, hopefully, will kind of mute that 1st string as well. And then we've got a regular C, which is really easy to get to if you keep your 3rd finger and your index where they're at right now for the F. You just pick up your pinky and move your middle finger forward. So that's the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd, index on the 1st fret, 2nd string, and then open on the 1st. All right, then we've got an A minor. Really easy to get to if you keep your index where it's at and your middle finger where it's at. You just put your 3rd finger behind your middle finger. All right, and you've got your middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, and you strum from the 5th string down. The last chord we need is a simple G, okay? So you're going to put your middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, index, 2nd fret, 5th string, and we're going to put just our 3rd back here on the 3rd fret, 1st string. So the strumming pattern is the same thing the whole time. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... The way I'm going to count it is going to be easier to pick out where the transitions, chord changes happen. Because instead of going 1 E and a 2 E and a, I'm going to just count to 4 twice. And believe me, it'll make it way easier to figure out where you're supposed to switch. Okay, so let's talk about the intro. They do this little pick scrape thing, and then they come in on the and of what would be 3. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So what's happening there is I'm holding my fingers in place where they should be for that F without pressing down. Otherwise, you'll hear a chord, right? So you want to hear this muted sound. All they're doing is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's F to C. They do that 4 times at the beginning. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. So when we get into the chorus chords, which happen directly after the intro, it'll start on a C. And all these chords in this chorus section, the first 2 choruses, will switch on the and of 4. So it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So what happens is that you're switching on an up stroke, which is kind of tricky, but you can get it. Just go slow. You're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it'll do that again. C, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, F, 2, 3, 4 and C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4 and C, 2. Back to the intro. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then into the second chorus. Second chorus is the same as the first chorus. So I'll play through that one more time on that chorus. So it's going to go C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 on the F. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Back to C. 3, So that's the chorus chords, the first two choruses. After you get to that, then there's this little piano interlude, but we're just going to keep our same down-up strumming going the whole time, and that goes like this. C, F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, 2. Then the lyrics start coming in, and it's a little bit different the second time through. So it's C, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, C, 2, 3, 4. And that happens 2 times when it switches to the A minor there. So C, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, C. That part happens twice. So after that little interlude type bridge thing that happens there, and you land on the C, and it goes to almost another little interlude that goes with the O's, okay? So let's say we just finished A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, C, G, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, F, C, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F, C, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F, C, G, A minor, F, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and back into another chorus. So let's talk through the rhythm of this O section, okay? So you land on the C after the I would lie awake and pray you don't lie awake for me, all right? You land on the C, and then it goes, so it's C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, and C, 4, and G, 4, and A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, F, 1, 2, and 4, A, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes to another chorus, which is another variation, so it's a little bit different. So one more time on that rhythm for the O's, it starts on the C, coming out of the last section, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll call the chords on the O section this time. It starts on a C, C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, C, G, A minor, 2, 3, 1, 2, F, C, G, A minor, 2, 4, 1, 2, F, C, G, A minor, F, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the chorus after that O section is a little bit differently. We have to cram in a couple more chords in between. So it'll go like this. C, 2, G, C, 2, 3, 4, and so that's the Gloria part. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, and 2, G, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll do that again. It'll go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, G, 3, and 4, C, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1 and 2, G, 3, and 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, and 2, G, 3, and 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, like the other time. 3, 4, and C. Then it goes into like another little piano interlude there. So after that set of interludes, the Heaven Help Me Now, Heaven Show the Way, which is 3 times, you're going to go back to the interlude for the O's. And then it ends on the intro, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it ends on the F. All right, guys, that's everything you need to know to learn this song. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. Go check out our Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter on the website for some good stuff coming out soon.